Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can backup your Viber information using your Google account. So first, open your Viber app on your mobile devices. After opening Viber app, you can see the more option on the bottom right section. Click on it. After clicking on more, now you can see the settings menu. Go to the settings. Now you can see account option on the top section. Click on it. Here you have an option to backup your Viber information. Click on Viber backup. Now you can choose your want to backup your information. You can auto backup the Viber information according to your choice. You can also include photos and videos for backing up. You can also choose various accounts for backing up your information of your Viber. And now you can see the option of backup now on the bottom section. Click on backup now. It will take some time for backing up your information, and now your backup has been completed and your information has been restored on your Google account. This is how you can backup your information of Viber using your Google account. Now your data won't be lost when you have backed up your information. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.